Anyone can give me the answer. Nitin, yes, why not?
Any task which needs to be completed in a particular time frame,
Hmm.
that is a project.
That is a project. Okay.
Let me add one more point to it.
Yes,
Any
Beneath.
project is a unique in its
Yes.
nature.
Good.
And it has a definite ending. I mean, time. There is a time frame attached to the project.
Yes, there is a definite beginning and the end date of the project. Of course, there is a time frame, and the project is unique. Good. Anyone want to add something?
Yes, project is basically coming together of the professionals in an endeavor to produce a unique product within that time, cost, and safe and quality.
Within time, cost, and quality. Okay. These are the characteristics, first of all, the project time, cost, and the quality. Guys, consider yourself before starting the class now, you are a project manager. Consider yourself, right? Even though your title is not project manager, but in these 4 days, please try to understand that you are a project manager. If you are considering yourself as a project manager, then the chances are very high that you will get the entire book or entire standard because you are the project manager. Am I right, guys?
Correct,
Any
sir.
doubt? Consider yourself only in this class, right? So that you can understand the things how the project manager he is working on the project. As a project manager, second important thing, consider yourself you are the project manager from client side as well, from the client perspective. Why? I will explain slowly why I am saying that from the client side. Second thing, you are managing a project. The budget of this project is $50 million. Third thing, the tenure of your project 3 years, and the number of stakeholders you are managing 2000. Right, guys? What does it mean? Is a complex project or not? Akshay.
Yes, it is a big company,
Okay.
and though we have to update so many people,
Okay.
2000 stakeholders,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to take care of all the information which have to be passed on and
Hmm.
approvals and all those things.
Right. It is a complex project that you are saying.
Yes.
Correct. Good. Ayush, what do you think? It is really a complex project, and if
Yeah,
yes,
it's definitely yes.
yes, but how can you say that it is a complex?
First of all, the stakeholders which we are managing is more
Thank you
than
very much. The rest
right.
doesn't matter. The rest doesn't matter because the budget is not necessarily 50 million. It can be 500 million. Yes or no? It depends
Yes,
on the project size. Tenure also, if you are working on a civil engineer, Akshay here, civil engineer, right, Akshay? For you, if
Yes.
it is an infrastructure project takes more than 10 years normally, right?
Yes.
So in that case, this 3 years, nothing. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, the most important aspect of the complexity of any project based on the number of stakeholders you are managing. First of all, this is the justification, guys. 90 to 95% of your time as a project manager, right, goes to communication. Beneath, am I right?
True, that's true. That's
Yes,
very right.
communication. It means communication with whom? Communication with
stakeholder.
stakeholders. If you are missing any communication, it means the chances very high to lose the project. Failure. It may leads towards the failure of the project, right? It means, guys, the most important aspect is the stakeholder communication. This is the reason in between me and beneath you, me and beneath, how many communication channels are there between you and me?
Only one.
Just one.
Only one, correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Good. If I am adding Akshay here, how many now?
3.
Three. Good. I am adding Nitin. How many now?
3.
4, 5, 6, and so on. Guys, what does it mean? As I am increasing my team member, the size of the team, the communication channel increase. So for that, we are always having a formula for the communication channel, n multiply by n minus 1 divided by 2. What is n? Number of stakeholders. Yes, so 2000 multiply by 2000 minus 1 divided by 2, which is coming 1999000. It means on this project that I told you you are managing, you have to manage this much of communication channel. Really, it is a complex project. Am I right, guys? This is the reason, again, 90 to 95% risk also coming from stakeholders. How? I will explain. The rest 5 to 10% of the risk are coming from the other factors. For example, internet not working, server is not working, server down, and so on. Correct? But still 90 to 95% risk coming from stakeholders. So guys, what does it mean according to you? We discussed this much. What is the stakeholder then? Who are those person or organization? Yes, tell me. Question from Rais. Who are those stakeholders?
Stakeholders are those who are directly linked with the projects.
Okay. Any example? Yes. Any example?
He may be client, the investor. He may be the top management.
Okay. Only.
And all those
Akshay,
people.
I'm coming.
All the people who are directly related to the projects.
Okay. Yes, Akshay.
Yeah, I was also about to say same, but there are few additional. Whosoever who is concerned with project, it can be promotional channel partner or financer or anybody who is directly or indirectly concerned with the project.
Thank you very much. Rais, yes, you said directly, not only directly, also indirectly. What does it mean? Let me explain. Yes, it is complete information, as Akshay said. It is any stakeholder, any person or organization. Yes, client, investors, right? Top management, either person or organization, right?
Yes.
Whose interest positively or negatively? Are you getting my point? I will explain the meaning of positively and negatively. Positively or negatively impact the project, or be impacted by the project is known as your stakeholders. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes,
for any construction project, construction means I'm talking about the road project or any infrastructure project. We are the end user or not?
Yes.
Right? So the end user also a stakeholder. Akshay, according to you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes, they are a stakeholder. It is a separate thing, different thing. A project manager of that project is not directly communicating to us, but we are the stakeholder for any infrastructure project. Now, guys, you are using Apple or Samsung. I'm not promoting any mobile company, okay, brand. I'm just example. So we are the stakeholder for them or not? We are the end user of that. If you have money, go out and purchase the mobile. Correct? We are the stakeholder. Yes. Thank you very much. Everyone involved, positively or negatively, impact the project or be impacted by the project is known as your stakeholders. Yes. Now come back to the point that we were there. A project is having a specific beginning and end date. As Ayush said, yes, he is right, absolutely. There is a certain period of time, yes, tenure of the project, and the outcome is unique. Unique what? Unique product, unique service, and unique result. The third thing of this project is, one is, specific beginning, second is your unique outcome, and the third one is outcome is tangible or intangible. Yes, guys. Number one. Question to Nitin. What do you think the intangible outcome of the project? Guys, feel free. I hope just 1 minute. Sorry, Nitin, just I'm interrupting. Guys, it is okay that we are getting the point?
Yes.
Okay. It is also recorded session for the quality purpose. If you need, you can take the access of that recording session. Okay. So that in future also you can refer the lecture.
Sure.
Right. Yes, Nitin, continue, please.
Could you please repeat the question again?
My question is that a project outcome either tangible or intangible. What is the meaning of intangible outcome of a project? Tangible, everyone knows. Those you can touch, right? You can touch the building. You can touch, the anything that is you can touch. That is a tangible outcome of the project. Correct? What is the intangible outcome of the project?
The quality.
Okay.
But quality is measurable. Let
Quality
me
is
try.
measurable. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So,
Quality is not
inte-
intangible.
It is
Yes.
client satisfaction is intangible.
Okay.
Definitely, the end user delightness or satisfaction, that
Hmm.
is the intangible thing which you
Mhm.
can't measure.
Yeah. Beneath, just let him. let him one by one.
Yes, sure.
Sorry. Yes, please continue, Nitin. Intangible outcome. To increase the brand name in the market, you are initiating a project or not?
Yes.
That is intangible outcome.
Yes.
Yes.
Brand
Brand
recognition.
value. Okay.
Brand value.
recognition.
Brand value. Yes. Recognition in the market. Brand.
Okay.
Right? Logo. Why the Apple is having a brand or not?
Yes.
What do you think? Apple, they are not initiating a project to increase their brand name in the market? Of course, yes. Samsung, yes. Anyone, even you guys also, your company, they have initiated several projects to increase their brand name. Brand name means, of course, the outcome of the project is intangible. People are familiar with that brand name. Yes or no, guys? Hope you are getting my
Yes.
point.
Yes. Yes.
We are using the shoes, Bata or Nike or any Adidas, whatever. It is a brand. Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is outcome is the tangible either or intangible. Okay, guys. If there is no end date of the project, we are not going to consider that as a project. It can be anything. It can be either operation or processes, whatever. Out of our area of discussion, we are always discussing a time bound activity, or whatever you can say, the task, specific beginning and the end date.
Mhm.
Right, guys? And the most important outcome is unique. What does it mean, unique? Let me explain. We are constructing, question 2, Akshay again, civil engineer.
Yes,
We are constructing 2 buildings, design same, okay, contractor same, vendor same, client same, okay, everything same. These 2 buildings are unique or not? Which is
they
not
may be
possible,
unique in,
Akshay, which is not possible. First of all, I am giving you the scenario. You can say worst to worst case scenario.
both
Yes.
the buildings cannot be similar in terms of material.
Consider same. Consider
given.
same. No, consider same. 3 years, 3 years.
Okay.
Same material. Ambuja cement. Sorry for that again. I'm not promoting Ambuja cement. It's just material same, steel rod, and so on. Same. It is a worst to worst case scenario. I just want to develop why it is not a project or why it is a project.
It is a project because it has 3 years of time frame,
Okay.
and both the project must be having a specific cost to finish the project.
Same cost, 50 million, 50 million.
Okay.
Yes, that's why I want to develop that. Guys, I hope you are getting my point. Why I am giving this information same, so that I want to show you that what is the actual meaning of the unique outcome. That's why I'm asking. Otherwise, everyone knows, Akshay, everyone knows, which is not possible. What condition I am giving to you right now? 50 million duration same project manager, right? 3 years also same. No, it is normally not possible, but still consider. Yes, Rice, what do you think? It is unique or not?
Yeah, indeed, it is a unique because in terms of the pace at which the work has been executed, and if the project manager is same also for both the projects, Then also the thought process it will be different for the project manager for these two different projects. So and if we go by the resources also, in terms of, not in terms of the materials and all, in terms of the execution by the resources who are directly involved with the both the projects will be different. So although you can give the same kind of resources in terms of the material, but in terms of the manpower or machinery, it could be different. So
Okay.
anything which is different deployed for executing this project makes it as a unique, makes it unique. The other thing is that what I told you, the pace at which the project will be executed, because 3 years is a time bound duration, but